their special needs, and that they do not perpetuate inequality or exclusion. Furthermore, it is important to address the challenges associated with remote work and collaboration, such as maintaining team cohesion and addressing the social isolation that can result from remote work arrangements. Employers and policymakers need to ensure that remote work arrangements are designed to promote work-life balance, employee well-being, and effective collaboration and communication. Remote control technology is also changing the way we approach entertainment and leisure activities. With the availability of remote control devices and platforms, individuals can access a wide range of entertainment and leisure options from anywhere and at any time. For example, streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime enable individuals to access a wide range of movies and TV shows from the comfort of their own homes. Online gaming platforms such as Steam and Xbox Live enable individuals to play games with others from around the world, creating a global community of gamers. Furthermore, remote control technology is enabling new forms of entertainment and leisure activities, such as virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, experiences. These technologies enable individuals to immerse themselves in virtual environments, creating new opportunities for entertainment, education, and exploration. In addition, remote control technology is also providing new opportunities for social interaction and community building. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter enable individuals to connect with others from around the world, sharing experiences and building communities around shared interests. However, it is important to ensure that remote control technology is designed to promote responsible use and to protect individuals from potential risks and harms. This includes ensuring that remote control devices and platforms are designed with appropriate privacy and security measures to protect user data and prevent cyber threats. Furthermore, it is important to ensure that remote control technology does not perpetuate social isolation or exclusion. Platforms and devices need to be designed to promote social interaction and community building, and to ensure that individuals with disabilities or other special needs are not excluded from accessing entertainment and leisure activities. Remote control technology is also having a significant impact on the field of transportation and mobility. With the rise of autonomous vehicles and connected mobility solutions, remote control technology is playing a critical role in shaping the future of transportation. One of the key areas of development in remote control technology for transportation is in the area of autonomous vehicles. Remote control technology is enabling the development of autonomous vehicles that can operate without human intervention, providing new opportunities for increased safety, efficiency, and accessibility in transportation. Furthermore, remote control technology is also enabling the development of connected mobility solutions, such as ride-sharing and car-sharing platforms. These platforms enable individuals to access transportation services on demand, reducing the need for car ownership and increasing the efficiency and sustainability of transportation systems. In addition, remote control technology is enabling the development of new modes of transportation, such as drones and air taxis. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way we move people and goods, providing new opportunities for speed, efficiency, and accessibility in transportation. However, There are also challenges associated with the development of remote control technology for transportation. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring the safety and security of autonomous vehicles and connected mobility solutions. It is important to ensure that these technologies are designed to be safe and secure, and that appropriate safeguards are in place to protect against cyber threats and other risks. Another challenge is ensuring that remote control technology for transportation is designed to be inclusive and accessible for all individuals and communities.